Why do 80% of tech enthusiasts swear by Python? Let's uncover the secrets behind this popular programming language. First things first, Python is super beginner-friendly. Its syntax is clear and easy to understand, making it the perfect gateway to the world of programming. Think of it as learning to ride a bike with training wheels, smooth and steady. But what makes Python truly magical is its versatility. From web development to data science, artificial intelligence, and even game development, Python has got you covered. Imagine building your own website or analyzing data like a pro. The possibilities are endless. Plus, the Python community is massive and incredibly supportive. Got a question? There's probably already a forum thread with the answer. With so many resources and tutorials, you'll never feel lost. Let's talk about job opportunities. Python is one of the most in-demand programming languages in the job market. Learning it can open doors to exciting careers and lucrative salaries. Who doesn't want to turn their passion into a paycheck? And here's a fun fact. Python is used by some of the biggest companies in the world, like Google, Netflix, and NASA. So by learning Python, you're equipping yourself with skills that are trusted and valued globally. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Python and start your coding journey today. Empower yourself with skills that will shape your future. Trust us, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials.